Hello my loves, it's Jay. This video is going to be such a fun one because we are going to be doing a little project. We're going to be making these decorative balls for your centerpiece. These little spheres are not only super cute, but they're very, very affordable. Okay, so huge disclaimer right now, I'm currently editing. It is 1 in the morning, and let me tell you, I'm having a huge cringe fest over here. Please bear with me. I'm trying to get used to being comfortable in front of the camera. I have filmed that intro and outro like 10 times, and I just can't do it anymore. So you guys, I'm so sorry. I'm trying my hardest. Also, please excuse cara because right now my acne is not loving me at the moment. So I'm having a moment, okay? This pimple has been here for a good 2 months, and I've given up on it, so it's a part of me. But yeah, enjoy this video, and back to our regular scheduled programming. All of the things that I used for this project I purchased at Hobby Lobby. So if you're interested in learning how to make this adorable centerpiece, then keep watching. We are going to need these paper mache balls that you can actually find at Hobby Lobby for $129, and it actually comes with a string. If you can find one without a string, that's even better. And the size of this ball is 3.5 inches. You can just get the color paint that you want, but because I didn't have this shade of pink, I decided to dye it using this food coloring. I am using Mod Podge. This one I got also at Hobby Lobby for $8.99, but I used a 40% off coupon. Pour art embellishment or gold foil. This stuff is so amazing. And this is actually what's going to give it that pop. So this is actually how it looks. So the tools we're gonna be using are some shish kebabs. I like to use these to set aside my projects when they have to dry. Paintbrush to paint your paper mache decorative ball. A smaller paintbrush. This is going to be used for the glue or our Mod Podge on our project. Some tweezers to be able to lift our gold foil. First and foremost, you want to take off any label that's on your paper mache ball, and you just want to peel these off. The balls that I found had the string, so you can just pull that out. It comes right out. And I'm just gonna pull this one out as well. Put our shish kebab in that little hole. And this is just going to allow us to be able to paint our ball. So I already pre-mixed the color paint that I want, and it's this gorgeous pastel pink. Then we're simply just gonna start painting. So just gonna go in. Alright, so once you finish painting your sphere, you're gonna wanna set that aside in your cup and let that dry. Because Mod Podge does tend to dry quickly, I am putting it in one of these containers. I actually got this from Chipotle, and I can reuse it. So we're gonna open that baby up. We're also gonna open up our gold foil. Little by little sections, and with this gold foil, it tends to kind of like design itself, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. So I'm just gonna liberally add paint in with your tweezers. Grab your gold foil. So this is how our gold foil looks, and as you can see, there's 2 layers there. So we're gonna carefully add that on, and I'm gonna show you how to separate them. So we're gonna add that right onto our project, like so, and peel back the other gold layer. And if it's lumpy and wrinkly, it's not flat, don't worry about that because we're gonna fix it. And to add a little bit dimension, if you don't want it that rectangular look, I just like to pull it off and save it. Just put it in that jar. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my brush that has Mod Podge and glue down the edges. So once your spheres are completely dry, now it's time for the fun part, to put it all together and decorate. I decided to use this gold bowl that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I thought it was so aesthetically pleasing and would go perfectly with this project. So I'm just gonna set it here. And then it's as simple as arranging your centerpiece however you like. And just like that, you can do your spheres whatever color you want. I think for the fall it would be really cute, a mix of black and white. I love how this project came out. It was so simple, so affordable, and I love it. Look how cute this looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys actually decide on trying to make this DIY, please share your adorable creations with me. I'd love to see it. And if you're interested in seeing how I style this beautiful centerpiece, stay tuned, because in one of my next videos I'm going to be sharing with you guys my spring and summer living room decor and how I incorporate this in there. And if you aren't already, please subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.